In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to free up storage on your Google Drive by removing unwanted files, emails, and backups. It's a straightforward process, but it's important to ensure you understand each step to make your Google Drive work more efficiently for you. Let's start with deleting large or unnecessary files from your Google Drive. When your storage is nearing its limit, heading straight to the heavy hitters, the files taking up the most space, is a smart first step. On your Google Drive homepage, you'll notice a panel on the left-hand side. This panel is your navigation center. Here, click on Storage. This option allows you to view all of your files neatly arranged by size, giving you a quick overview of what's occupying the most space. Are there old projects or duplicate files you no longer need? By right-clicking on any file, you have the option to remove it. It's just a small action towards reclaiming much-needed space in your drive. However, keep in mind that simply removing the files isn't the end of your cleaning task. Once you've removed a file, it isn't completely deleted yet. It moves to the trash first, very similar to your computer's recycling bin. This ensures that nothing is lost permanently until you decide it should be. Here's how you take care of that. Go back to the left-hand navigation panel and select Trash. This will show you all the files you've put aside for deletion. You'll see an Empty Trash option at the top. Clicking this will permanently delete these files from your Google Drive. It's a point of no return, so be absolutely certain you no longer need these files. Permanently removing them is a decisive action in freeing up your storage, making way for new files that actually serve your current needs. By following these steps, you'll be able to reclaim significant space on your Google Drive. This will make it easier to store what truly matters, ensuring that your drive remains a useful and efficient tool across your digital activities. Remember, regular maintenance of your storage space can prevent last-minute scrambles for space and keep your data organized. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips on optimizing your digital life. See you in the next video.